So the latest version of XCGuide supports terrain files. These are downloaded automatically from the PG Race server and are shown, the terrain height is shown, which is above sea level, in the airspace elevation view, sideways on like this. So with this view we're looking downwards because you are that red marker just at the top left hand corner, and this is your current glide angle there, so say 19:1. You can change that for a high altitude view to look above you, see the airspace that's above you, in which case you're lower down. But switching back to low view, you're looking downwards at the terrain and airspace in front of you. So these tiles are downloaded completely automatically from the PG Race server. To enable the feature, you just go to Flight Computer and then scroll down and just enable it here, altitude above ground level. You can set how many tiles you want to be cached at any one time. Each one takes about 20 seconds and takes a bit of memory. So it's useful for several things. One is to see the terrain ahead of you, but also it's useful to calculate the airspace which is defined above ground level. The app does a lookup to see what the ground level is below a particular piece of airspace and then calculates the AGL value for that. It's also useful to see the terrain value. So you see on the crosshair at the center, you get the latitude and longitude. When you're inside one of the areas that's been cached, you also get the altitude of that point above sea level. So here up in the mountains you can see it's several thousand meters, whereas down in the valley it's only 900 meters or so. The area that has been cached is shown as a faint dotted line, so you can just about see that faint dotted rectangle there. But these tiles are cached automatically around you and around anybody else that you're tracking. So that's how the tiles are loaded. Okay.